Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you the latest trend which is going viral on Facebook called the Cartoon Challenge. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this challenge involves using a specific filter to turn your profile photo into 3 different cartoon images, and it's all a craze right now. There is no real point to the challenge, it is just a bit of light-hearted entertainment. So how do you do it? On your phone, go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and download an app called Voila AI Artist Cartoon Photo. Once downloaded, open the app and you'll come to this screen. Tap on the first option, which is 3D cartoon. Then this will ask you for your permission to access your photo library if this is your first time. Press allow access and then select your photos. Now choose a photo from your gallery, or you could use a camera to take a photo you want to turn into a cartoon. You even have an option to choose a celebrity. In this example, I'll choose a photo from my photo library. Once you have selected the photo, the app will automatically turn into a grid of cartoon images. Give it some time and it will process the image. As the process is finished, you'll see an ad in this app, so just wait a few seconds and then you can close it down. Now you'll see the finished image and it has turned your photo into a grid of cartoon images. Now tap on the arrow at the top right corner to save it to your camera roll. Now from here you can share it on Facebook, WhatsApp, or you can save it to your device. And there you go, that is how to do the Cartoon Challenge for Facebook. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.